Hi, I am Danish and today I am going to do an experiment based on surface tension of water. Here I have one card, some coins and two glasses, some water. I will pour some water in one glass. And the card I am having, I will place it on the empty glass that I am having. I will place one coin. You can see that the card and coin both have fallen. Now I will place it on the top of the glass with full of water. You can see that it has not fallen. This is because of the surface tension of water. Let's see how many coins I can place on it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You can see that it has fallen in 21 coins. That was because of the force of the coins was more than the force of the surface tension of the water. Because of that, the coins and card, both of them have fallen from their place. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon and share it with your friends and family members, and write down in the comment what would you like to see in the next video.